I feel like one of the most powerful messages at the moment for the Aquarians is really simple. Get yourself into the zone and stay in the zone. So it's about focus. The time for the Aquarians to rise is now. The time for the Aquarians to follow through is now, which means that you don't have time for your fears. You don't have time for limitations. You don't have time for the usual stories that come in, take over, and push you and bully you and convince you that you're not capable or you don't have the capacity and things of that nature. So it's getting in the zone, making sure you stay in the zone. So when you're getting in the zone, first of all, it requires quiet. You have to access the quiet within. You have to be able to do that. Number one. Number two, the next thing is going to be making sure that you recognize everything else other than being in the zone is just a distraction. So, and the only way that you can recognize that, by the way, is present moment awareness. That's it. There's no other way for you to recognize it other than being in the present moment, all of which I'm going to talk about how to do in your membership today.